In this section, we will show you how to register for the NHS Patient Record Service and access your own records online or through an app. The NHS Patient Record Service allows you to access a range of health and care websites and apps with one set of login details. You can use it to see parts of your health record, order repeat prescriptions, book appointments, and more. To register for the NHS Patient Record Service, you need to create an NHS login. You can do this by visiting the NHS website or downloading the NHS app. You will need an email address and a mobile phone number to set up your account. You will also need to prove who you are by providing some personal information and a photo of your ID. Once you have created your NHS login, you can use it to access many health and care websites, apps and services. You can find a list of them on the NHS website. Some of them may ask you for different levels of proof of who you are depending on what they offer. For example, some services may require a high level of proof, which means you need to record a short video of yourself saying 4 numbers. To access your own records online or through an app, you need to ask your GP surgery for online access to your full record. You can do this when you create your account or later on. If you do not ask for online access to your full record, you will only see your medicines and allergies. Your GP surgery may take some time to process your request and may ask you for more information. Once you have online access to your full record, you can log into the NHS website or app and see parts of your health record, such as information about medicines, vaccinations, test results, letters, and appointment notes. You can also see communications between your GP surgery and other services, such as hospitals. You can download or print your records if you need to. If you want to access any other medical records, such as your hospital record, you need to ask for them at the NHS service you went to. You can check their website for how to do this. You may need to fill out a form or pay a fee to get access. That's how you can register for the NHS Patient Record Service and access your own records online or through an app. We hope this was helpful and informative. One of the benefits of the new NHS Patient Record Service is that you can manage your preferences and consent for sharing your records with other health professionals. This means that you have more control over who can access your health information and for what purposes. In this section, I will show you how to do that. First, you need to log into your NHS account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the instructions on the screen. Once you are logged in, you will see a dashboard with different options.